Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we have another turbo video. I am super excited to cover turbo. You know me, I'm a huge fan of this coin. I enjoy talking about this coin. So many frequent updates, so many frequent news surrounding this coin. The community is great. I love the price structure. Generally speaking, I know it's down, but so is everything else. The volume is great. The ratios compared to other meme coins are great in terms of how much we dumped and how much volume we have and how well we're growing. It's one of my favorite coins out there and my favorite meme coin out there currently. So we're back again with another video. Listen, this is an ad, but this is funny. Don't be X liquidity. You won't be, right? You will not be X liquidity unless you literally buy near the top. That is just, unfortunately how it works. There has to be a loser for there to be a winner, but that is just life, right? That is just life. I was looking at this and I realized, someone, World of Charts, which I have zero clue who they are, but they claim they're crypto traders since 2016, right? They see something very similar. Now, their, style of drawing stuff up is a little different from me, but it's always good to see, some type of other trader have very similar bias to the one I have, right? For me, generally speaking, I expect a little bit of a pullback before we officially go up, but that is fine because my bias still has not changed, and I believe we will be looking to be breaking out of the zone very soon, right? In the last few videos, I did say, Sunday, Monday, they may be a little bit of sell off, but I expect this week to generally be the week where we really start reversing. Okay. We are also at the end of the month. So if there were going to be delays, it would be, pretty much until the February candle closes. But I am super optimistic about this at the moment. We can see the way we close, ladies and gentlemen, that we are closing weaker and weaker as time goes on. Okay. So we can see, right? For me, this is a classic reversal indication, especially that we also swept liquidity here, which is because we tapped into that hourly, order block that I was talking about for some time, right? Perfect here, tap pretty much right into here, right? So pretty much perfect structure. Everything's going to plan as of right now. At this current moment of the recording, yes, we are going a little bit down, but that's fine. We talked about how Sunday, Monday, there may be a little bit of pullback before the big pump, right? We talked about how we go from here to pretty much something like this, flip over, become very bullish this week. If not this week, then the next. At this current moment, right, we are pretty much confirming more and more structure, and we are respecting this big general support more and more, right? When we look at the bigger picture where all the weekly candles have tapped, right, we can see over here that we've tapped here, and here, right? And we can see this is the big last support, right? Because the next thing is all the way down here. And as of right now, we are holding very nice. Something like Hoppy, for example. I like Hoppy, but we will use Hoppy as an example because I need to show you guys why I believe institutional play is in a coin like Turbo, why I believe the structure matters for something like Turbo, because something like Hoppy, which I still like, and I got in fairly cheap, you know, it just kind of completely went all below this weekly support. Like, look at this, right? We'll go to the weekly and monthly candles. This is pretty much the last type of support there is for this coin was this big purple zone, and it just disregarded it, right? It just disregarded. It did not care at all. Okay. And with Turbo, it's different. It respects it, right? The only thing that it was sweep this low, this weekly low, which is why I believe institutions are in, because I've seen this type of stuff happen across Forex pairs, across gold, across other cryptos that definitely, most definitely have institutions 100%, right? The type of manipulation I like to see is what I'm seeing with Turbo. And if that was not the case, there's a strong chance we could be melting further and further, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. But for me, no, that is not the case. And I believe big money is backed by it, not only because of the structure and everything that's happening, but because of how high the volume is, right? Because of how high the volume is. And Hoppy is a great example, right? Once again, Hoppy is a great example because it just disregarded any type of support and went right below it. So, that is that when it comes to that, right? I know I said that a lot, but anyways, listen, we are pretty much still growing in holders. We did only at this moment go up by a little bit, right? We went up by 50, which is fine, right? Not every day we're gonna have 100, people are gonna, come in each day, but that is expected, right? Pretty much from Saturday to Sunday. Saturday's always going to be this slowest day. That is just how it historically is. So we don't really expect much growth from Saturday to Sunday. Sunday to Monday is going to probably be a different case. And then during the week, I expect things to look very, very nice and I expect growth to continue. I expect growth to continue and I expect very, very good things. Now, in terms of news, I gave this coin a lot of praise for news coming out 2, 3 times a week. And then ever since I said that, nothing has happened for pretty much a week, which is fine. Because the thing is with Turbo, it already has done so many updates that we can't always expect new updates each week. And that is the reality once you start covering all the possible angles, right? There's only a handful of things they can do. There's only a handful of innovations they could do. And you know what? That's just the reality of this coin. Now, I do expect this coin still to get listed on Robinhood. We have other coins get listed on Robinhood. And when we keep going down the list, right? You got to remember, big money institutions, all these companies, they look at something that has great market cap, great volume, and longevity, right? Some of these coins have higher market cap, but not a lot of longevity. That's the thing with these coins. While Turbo, ladies and gentlemen, has a lot of longevity, right? We can see Turbo has been here pretty much ever since, you know, mid to early May, or sorry, mid to early 2023, right? It's been here the whole 2023, whole 2024, and now 2025. It's going to have a fantastic year, regardless of what people say, right? Regardless of what people say. So, I am super, super optimistic about this coin. I still think everything it needs to do, it will do. And I believe it has a very, very bright future. That is it, ladies and gentlemen, right? Not too much to talk about, right? I know some of you guys do like these daily videos. I did say that, sometimes there won't be the most amount of news, but if you enjoy more of the micro moves, right? If you like me saying how, I expect some type of little pull back or pump, and it makes you feel, like have a better peace of mind, then I will continue to do these videos daily. Ultimately, though, ladies and gentlemen, you gotta zoom out. Don't overstress yourself. The future is green. The future is green. I'm super optimistic about this coin, right? We fought a lot of battles. We fought a lot. You got to realize most meme coins that go down a lot, they don't recover. Most meme coins that they have their hype, they have their wave, they just never, come back to where they are. You got to realize Turbo is holding strong, right? Turbo is holding strong. Turbo is going sideways, which is a fantastic thing. Most coins, they're not going sideways. Most meme coins are just continuously going down. And that is sad reality, ladies and gentlemen. So anyways, thank you all for watching. I love you guys so, so much. Later today, I'm going to be uploading a Caspa video and a video talking about the best coins to buy in terms of the potential ratio. It is going to include meme coins, real world assets, utility coins, layer one, layer two, DeFi, DePIN, all of this, etc. Right? And yes, Turbo will be on the list. So look out for that. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys did enjoy it. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Goodbye.